मोटे कपड़े पहन के बड़ा स्पीकर लगा के माइक पे गला फाड़ के चिल्लाने से कोई सिंगर नहीं बन जाता। मैं पंडित जी की तरह संगीत सम्राट बनना चाहता हूँ।
आज से तुम सिर्फ राठौर घराने का संगीत गाओगे।
तुम ऑसम हो, मैं ऑसम हूँ, तो मेरे अगले गाने के लिए तुम मेरे साथ गाओगे। हीरो बनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे?
नहीं, मैं तो हीरोइन को मनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था।
First of all, congratulations for the Bandish Bandits. This is Hamad Al-Riyami. I'm film critic and director from Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. I'm so watchable for Indian movies since late of 70s till now. And now Prime Video, they are making new cinema generation by this good series. And every month they are give us shocking series. The last one will be your series, inshallah, in the future when we see it. So first of all, I want to ask you about your experience of working in this series, and especially working experience with Nusriuddin Shah. For both of you.
Firstly, thank you so much for having us. I have a very special connect with the UAE. I think it was very exciting for me that I got to be a part of this show. I mean, just speaking to you and the fact that my show is going to reach such a global audience is amazing for me. And my happiness had no bounds when I got to know that Nasir sir was going to be a part of this show. And initially, I was just very excited about the fact that, you know, I would get to see him perform and he would probably have to see me perform because we'd be doing scenes together. And then I was also a little nervous that, oh, you know, he's such a legend. But from the point that I met him, he was just so warm and welcoming that I realized that it's not the fact that he is strict or intimidating as a person. It is the fact that he is extremely disciplined when it comes to his craft, and he does it with utmost dedication. So there's no scope for you to falter and just bring your 30%, 40%. You have to be there 100%. And just seeing the man perform and do what he does was one of the most memorable experiences for me in life.
But I believe, Shiria, you also did the work with Manisha Koirala before?
Yes, I did a film with Manisha ma'am called Dear Maya. And again, it was such an honor for me to work with her because I've been such a fan of hers while growing up, and I've watched all her movies. And she's such a strong woman and beautiful performer that sometimes even just watching them perform and just being in their energy, just being in their atmosphere is very, very infectious.
Okay, and what about Ritwik? Ritwik, your name is, remind me of Ritik sometimes. Same musical or the same tune, sorry.
Yeah, a lot of people also mistakenly call me Ritik, but I like it. I don't even consider it a mistake. I actually take it as a compliment because he's a great actor and I love him. So my experience on Bandish Bandits has been the most valuable and the most how do I say enriching experience of my life. You know, this is the most blessed I've felt all my life that I'm getting to be a part of a show like Bandish Bandits on Prime Video. You know, the scale of Bandish Bandits. You know, and I have Mr. Shankar Ehsan Loy giving music. I have Mr. Anand Tiwari directing me, and as you said, Mr. Nasiruddin Shah. I mean, that is like the cherry on top. Or it's actually the entire cake sometimes. But it's like a great experience. You know, I have grown up watching films, and one of the most loved performers that I've ever seen on screen, like for me especially, was Mr. Nasiruddin Shah. Is Mr. Nasiruddin Shah, and I've grown up watching him. He's one of the reasons why I always wanted to be an actor. And here I am doing my digital debut, and he's playing my grandfather. So it's a surreal feeling, you know. It's a dream come true, and for me, it's a huge honor that I got to be a part of this show where I could share screen space with him. At the same time, I feel very blessed that today not only am I a fan of his, I'm also a friend of his, and I could totally take this away for the rest of my life, and probably one day show off to my grandkids that, you know what, you may be whoever you are. I'm the one who worked with Nasiruddin Shah. So I'm proud of myself.
You know, Ritvik, your character reminds me of Salman Khan character in Hamdil Jishke Sanam, when he is also coming for music learning, but his father is gone. But your grandfather is available in this series.
Yeah, that is true. That's very true. Though the similarity that you pulled out is very true, but Salman Khan's character in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam, Salman Sir's character, and my character in this show are poles apart. Because Salman Sir's character came from a European country, which I can't remember right now, if I'm not wrong, and he came back to India to his roots to learn Indian music because he was a musician. And
Yeah.
whereas my character Radhe Rathore has grown up in a musical family in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. He belongs to a gharana called the Rathore Gharana, and his grandfather Pandit Radhe Mohan Rathore is the guy who started this gharana, who found this gharana, and all Radhe ever wants to do in his entire life is to become like his grandfather. He
Yeah.
wants to be at a position where he can call himself the rightful successor of the Rathore Gharana. And he's worked all his life. He's probably 22 years old, and all his life for 20 years, for 18 years, he's only been working towards this. And there comes a point where he meets a YouTube sensation called Tamanna Sharma, this pop diva, and that's where his life goes topsy-turvy, and everything takes a 360-degree turn. And what happens from then on, the choices he has to make is his journey in Bandish Bandit.
Yeah, being of this series, it's a musical series, I believe. Actually, your both voices are very good. Like your voice is like anchor voice, Ritwik, and Sharia, your voice is like coil voice. Your voice is very. Are you
That's
singing,
so
guys, or what?
That's so
Do
sweet.
you
That's
sing?
we like to believe we are singers.
Yeah.
But I think, at least for me, I've not had any formal training in singing or music before Bandish Bandits. In my audition, I did have to sing, but it was only after Bandish Bandits that through our workshops, I got into a lot of classes for singing, for performing. I had a singing teacher, I had a choreographer, Vijay Ganguly. I also got into we had a music supervisor who really helped me because Tamanna is a composer and she has a home studio set up. So just things like, she uses technology to create music. Where is the recording button in a music console? Where is the mic placed? What are the signs that you probably give your singer when he is recording inside the recording booth? So all of these things, they just created this musical world for me that I could just drown myself in. So yeah, before this, not had any formal training, but even today, I don't know if I can sing, but I certainly enjoy singing and have gotten a lot of knowledge about what goes into the making of a song after Bandish Bandit.
But I think, did you sing in this series, both of you? Any song?
No, we had playback singers for all our songs.
Ritwik, who's your best music composer in Bollywood or in any wood?
Okay, I'm not saying this because I'm a part of this show, but honestly, as I say that Bandish Bandit is a dream come true, I have always wanted to stand with my arms wide open with a low angle shot and sing Mitwa. And that's the song composed by Mr. Shankar Mahadevan, Ehsan Qureshi, and Loy Mendosha. Shankar, Ehsan, Loy were my dream composers. I've always wanted to lip sync to their music, and here I am. I'm getting a musical with them. But so that I don't sound like a person who's trying to promote his show, I'll take another name. I would say Mr. A. Rahman Saab is one of my most favorite composers ever.
Indeed, yeah, you are right. What about Sharia? Who's your female singer or male singer famous or favorite? Sorry.
My top favorite singers would definitely have to be. I'm in love with Jonata's voice. She's sung for a lot of Tamanna in Bandish Bandits. I'm a very big Sunidhi Chauhan fan as well. I love the fact that she's not just an amazing singer, she's an amazing performer as well. And I have a very, very special place in my heart for Shankar sir. Just every song that he sings, be it Breathe, to even one of the songs that not Breathe, Breathless, right? The name of the song is sorry. From that song up until even the song that he sung in our album called Viraha, which is my most favorite song in the album. It gives me goosebumps every time I listen to it, and it's sung by Shankar sir. So he is my most favorite singer. And Arijit Singh. I love Arijit Singh.
Of course. Okay, Pandit, it will be like how many episodes for that? And is there any planning for the second season for this series also?
So it's a 10-part
series.
Yeah.
10 part.
It's a 10-part series, and right now we're just so excited for season 1 to come out. So we actually don't know.
Okay, it is 10 parts.
We're really hopeful this love for music and story of music carries forward. But as of now, only one season that we have to offer. And let's see how it's accepted. Then we'll figure out about the next season.
Okay. While shooting this series, can you give me some like good moments and some funny moments, both of you, where in this series with director, with makers?
There's actually a very interesting story, which Ritvik
I was going to tell you
very beautifully. Oh, I'm going to say it. I get this responsibility.
Go for it. Do this.
So this is a very memorable day of shoot for a lot of us. We were shooting in a place called Bikaner, which is in Rajasthan in India. And Bikaner is a desert, right? So we were shooting at a hotel called Lakshmi Nivas. And we were shooting one of Nasir sir's singing bits, wherein he sings a song. There are different rags in classical and Hindi Shastriya Sangeet. So there's a rag called Rag Megh Malhar, which means, if you translate it literally, Megh means clouds. So the myth is that when we sing any song in this rag, it brings rainfall, you know. So of course it was a myth. But Nasir sir had to sing a song, which is actually out now, our album's out, Garaj Garaj. Garaj Garaj, right? If I'm not wrong. So he was singing Garaj Garaj, and that is a rag of Megh Malhar. And I kid you not, we were in the middle of a desert, shooting in the summer in like 45 degrees. And mid-shoot, it started to pour. There was a storm, there was a sandstorm, there was almost a cyclone. And it was quite crazy. And the people of Bikaner were quite happy because, I mean, they had gotten rain after really long. But our producers were not very pleased because it started flooding and it brought the entire set down. But that wasn't even the most beautiful thing about that day. The most amazing thing was when suddenly it started raining very heavily. There were these cloths that were drawn as decoration on top of us like a canopy. And there were actors who were shooting and there was a camera and everything. And suddenly what started happening is those things started lowering with the weight of the rain. Oh. And within a minute, I saw people from different departments, be it anyone from the direction team, the spot team, different people from the light team, and all the crew just ran up. They left whatever they were doing at that point, and they ran up just to safeguard the people who were shooting at that point, and they went and held all the poles so that it doesn't fall on anybody. And just that selflessness of, you know, not saying that, oh, but that's not my job. They didn't care. They were just like, no, this is important, you know. And everyone just came together like one big family. And it was torrential rain. And in the middle of that, we had like all our troopers just holding onto these poles so that they don't fall on all of us. So that experience is very, very unforgettable.
One day you should share me some photos of that situation if you have with you.
Definitely.
Yeah, I hopefully think, I think Amazon Prime Video does this thing called the X-Ray, where you get to see bonus features and making of the show. Hopefully, I hope that they've caught some glimpses of that on the making of the show.
Great, that's great. Okay, at the end, I want to play a very short game with you. How much you know Nasir Sahib, Nasiruddin Shah? This is very
Can we be one team?
and it is based on music, only on music.
Okay.
Songs and
only on music?
Only on music, yeah. Nasir and music. Can you imagine that?
I'm going to try very hard. Okay, let's try this.
Yeah. So as we know that Nasiruddin Shah, he has very rare songs, but some of 5 songs of his songs in the movie, it became a chart buster in Bollywood industry, Indian film industry. First of all, I want to know this song from which movie? Both of you can answer it at the same time.
Okay.
The song name is Hoshwal ko khabar kya bekhudi kya cheez hai.
Oh, I love this song.
Ritvik. Yeah.
Sarfarosh.
Huh?
Sarfarosh.
What's the name? Sarfarosh, yes.
Sarfarosh.
One for Ritik. Thank you.
I knew it. I didn't know you
Yeah,
named the film.
I love this
Most
song.
of the songs are playing in my head.
You're supposed to play a game.
I was supposed
Okay.
to sing it, so I stopped. I was like, I don't.
Okay, this second one. Maybe Shira, you will answer it. The
Okay.
song Pirchi Topi Wale Babu Bhole Bale Oye Oye, sung by whose male singer?
Oh,
Oh, sorry, which is the song? I didn't hear that. What is the name of
Oye
the
Oye,
song?
Pirchi Topi Wale Babu Bhole Bale from Tridev. It is a very famous song, sung by whose male singer?
Oh my God. Oh, it's so horrible.
is it Vinod Rathod?
No,
No,
1999.
I can't remember.
He is Kishore Kumar's son.
Oh my God, I was just going to say Kishore Kumar.
No, he's Kishore Kumar's son.
Son?
Amit Kumar.
Amit Kumar.
Oh.
Yeah. Amit Kumar.
Oh, so he gets the point.
I should get half a point.
Take one
Two.
full.
2-0. Now 3 left.
2-0.
Three questions left. So Sharia, please try your best.
Great song.
This movie, Watoha Albela Hazaro Me Akela, is sung by Nasiruddin Shah and some people from the movie. I will not say the movie, but for which actor, the superstar actor, was with him?
शाहरुख खान वो तो है अलबेला हजारों में अकेला
वो तो है अलबेला हजारों में अकेला.
I love that film.
3. Come on, Sharia.
Come on, Shreya.
Okay. This is very famous song. तुझसे नाराज नहीं जिंदगी हैरान हूं मैं. This is very famous song and very good song. And this is from which movie? Sharia, come on.
Oh God, can I sing the song?
The song, okay. तुझसे
No,
नाराज
no, I'm thinking I sing the song because I love this song. I just don't remember which movie it's from. No, but
I
you
sing
sing
it.
beautifully. Please go for it.
Yeah, but
It's one Masoom.
so what's the name of the movie? Okay,
Masoom.
Masoom. Masoom. One of the famous movie.
तेरे मासूम सवालों से परेशान हूँ मैं.
And I
Beautiful.
believe this is the last one, and we should give Sharia the chance.
Yeah, you
Please.
can just message me the answer, Ritvik. Let me win.
I'll whisper it to you.
Yeah,
It is
sign
अभी
language.
जिंदा हूँ तो जी लेने दो भरी बरसात में पी लेने दो. From which movie? It's very simple.
You don't know. You can go ahead and answer it, Ritvik.
No, even I can't remember the film's name.
Oh,
my God.
I actually know this song, and I was singing it with you, but then I suddenly figured that I can't remember the film's name.
They've done the leading role, Juhi Chawla.
Leading role Juhi Chawla.
Na something. Anyway, Na Jais. That's the last one.
oh.
Ritvik,
Na Jais?
Na Jais, yeah. But you give
I lost.
4 answers right. That's
Yes.
great. That's great.
बोतल भी उठा लाया अभी जिंदा हूँ तो जी लेने दो भरी बरसात में पी लेने दो.
This was a fun game.
Thank you so much. I hope that this series became one of the best series in the Prime Video,
Thank you.
including the so many stuffs which they served us last year and this year. And in the end, what is your future planning after this series? Any planning for movie or something?
So right now we're actually under lockdown, so things are a little uncertain right now. So right now I think it's better not to talk about anything else but Bandish Bandits because it's releasing on 4th of August.
Yes,
We are waiting.
absolutely. Because we're just waiting for Bandish Bandits to release on the 4th of August, and then we'll see what the future holds for us.
We are all waiting for that. In even in Middle East and Arab world, all people love to watch series and only in Prime Video because they give us good stuff, and we believe that
Absolutely.
this is one of the best series in this year.
Thank you so
thank
much
you,
for
Sandeep.
having us, and you sing beautifully.
Thank you so
You
much.
do, you think well.
Thank you so much.
Ah